Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's see how Nano Banana can be used specifically for exterior designs and elevations. These use cases can be beneficial for architects, designers and homeowners for various purposes. We've already shared quite a number of use cases of Nano Banana on these 3 YouTube videos on the channel, so make sure to check them out as well. I'm Salman, an architect and an illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can create more amazing content like this. So let's get started. Exterior remodel. This can be a quick way to ideate how exteriors would look, and this can be used by anyone.
Let's start with this photograph of a suburban home. Add it into Google AI Studio and make sure you've chosen Nano Banana on the top right. Let's ask the AI to redesign this elevation as a modern contemporary design. The design can have emphasis on horizontal elements like a projection on the ground level, change the windows on the upper levels, and replace it with a single large glazing. Here's the result we have of this redesign. The understanding of prompt is really evident in this case, and it has a nice mix of wood textures and white. It has also retained the other elements like the pavement and landscape accurately.
Of course, it has its own flaws like the attic space on the first floor is missing. And disclaimer, renovating a home goes far beyond creating images with AI, so let your nearest licensed architect take care of this job. Change exterior materials. In case you don't want to change your exterior completely, but you only want to see how a specific material would look on your elevation, it can be done with Nano Banana. Here's how.
Here's the elevation image we'll be using for this. Let's upload the image and let's try adding an exposed brick pattern on the facade. We'll have to specify the exact location of where we want the brick texture, so let's include that in the prompt as well. The result is generated, and we can see how the platform has seamlessly integrated the brick pattern on the right side of the building. We can also add specific materials or elements as reference and ask the platform to integrate it. I've added this terracotta tile design, and let's ask the platform to add it completely on the right facade. Here's the result, and we can notice that even the shadows are integrated seamlessly in the output.
Before we move on to the next one, I want to share with you about my exclusive masterclass on rendering realistic floor plans with Nano Banana and Photoshop. In this masterclass, we learn how to turn our CAD drawings into high-quality renders. You'll also be getting a PDF with 20+ prompts and references that can help you create floor plans and site plans in different architectural styles. What used to take a day is now possible under 10 to 15 minutes. Check out the Gumroad link in the description to access this masterclass. Changing landscapes in exteriors.
We have this image of a villa with a nice landscape in the foreground. Add it into the chat and let's write a prompt to change the landscape. We can add specific plant names for more accuracy. I've added ornamental grass, roses and boxwood in yellow and white theme, and here's the result. This technique can help you in simple gardening layouts or lawn designs in your projects or homes.
3D model to render. Now we've received a lot of comments saying Nano Banana is not able to create realistic renders, but this process will change your mind.
I have with me a SketchUp model screenshot of a 3-story villa. Add it into Google AI Studio, and for the prompt, I've written a detailed description that I'm copy-pasting. I'll also be adding more details to the prompt, like describing what textures we want on the facade, illumination, puddle of water on the road, etc. This basically comes from observing a lot of architectural photographs and renders, which gives an idea of what makes an image interesting. Click Run and we can see the quality of the output that is generated. You can create something like this for any specific city by describing the same. I then added a prompt to include people in the image, and this was the result. We can also ask the platform to turn it into a drone-style isometric view like this.
Changing lighting and environment.
Take a look at this image, which is of a community center in night view. Add this into Google AI Studio, and let's try changing this to a daytime view. Here's the output, and we have a seamless image with the exact details and no changes in any elements. I feel the reflections on the floor to be slightly off, so let's remove that with the prompt. Now, what about creating a story with this scene? Let's try modifying this scene by adding students and graduates outside, throwing caps in the air, etc. Here's the result with the human figures and some color correction.
So that was it from this one. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and share this with your friends. Don't forget to check the exclusive masterclass on realistic floor plan rendering with Nano Banana and Photoshop. The link is in the description. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.